Hey guys, so it's time to choose a winner. So I found this website that's gonna randomly choose a winner from the video. So I just put the link to the video here, and then it takes all the comments, and then I hit start and it'll randomly choose a winner. So let's see. Guys, remember, you have to be in the US to participate. See who will win. Right there. Bernice Maldonado. So Bernice Maldonado, if you are in the US, please send me your info, and now I'm going to show you what you'll be receiving. Congratulations to Bernice Maldonado. So I just want to thank everyone who participated, guys, and soon I'll be having another giveaway. So stay tuned for that. So you're getting these beautiful cactus stickers. It's a lot of theme of cactuses, and this cute cactus little wristlet or little tote bag. This notebook, I love this pen, the way it writes. And then this cute little notepad that says stick to the plan. And then the cute pot, the Echeveria Pearl Newtonberg plant that I grew, and this topsy-turvy that I also grew. This is a pretty big topsy-turvy, and guess what? It already has babies for you. So this is a plant that gives tons and tons of babies, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for participating. Bernice, please contact me with your information so that I can mail this out to you. Guys, when I make partner and I start to make some revenue, or if I can sell more of my plants, then in the future I can definitely probably do international, because I'll have my money that I make off my plants or YouTube to pay for shipping. Actually, the plants that I recently sold is going to pay for the shipping on this. So thank you so much, guys, for participating. You guys have a blessed day.